Welcome to Altasciences, your integrated single source provider for all early phase drug development. With our proactive drug development approach, we've transformed the outsourcing paradigm by reducing complexities, mitigating risk, condensing timelines, and streamlining integrated CRO and CDMO services. From lead candidate selection through to clinical proof of concept and beyond, your dedicated, cross-functional program manager will overlap activities to streamline and accelerate your program. Our teams move in unison, proactively sharing data through a results-driven process to seamlessly advance your program to the next milestone. From the moment your program is initiated, our scientific and regulatory experts are engaged, ensuring that your preclinical studies meet all the needs for regulatory filing, and the design and conduct of the clinical trials are equally robust and thorough. We help you reach your critical milestones and go-no-go decisions sooner. Throughout your program, from preclinical to first-in-human and beyond, our bioanalytical experts work with assays that deliver the precise data you need and translate to the next phase to maximize your chances of clinical success. Our manufacturing teams are also engaged throughout your program, from formulation development to GMP clinical supply. Simple or complex drug products follow our adaptive pharmacy and manufacturing process during the clinical trial conduct, with clinical data available to inform the composition of the next formulation to be manufactured and dosed. Altasciences Proactive Drug Development utilizes the insights from each development phase and service to inform later development decisions. The synergies created by Altasciences between the phases of drug development translate into reduced drug development timelines that help you get better drugs to market faster, as much as 40% faster. We are Altasciences.